inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, was only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy.
Sambaleleza, 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 sambaleleza.
One thing about me is Pandisekaya, this is the chaos. It's all equal around me. Always.
Hi vlog! I'm doing errands. Guys, you want to see this? Ha! Hi vlog! Bye! Let's go! Let's go home!
Bye.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me?
The next day.
Welcome to a new vlog. So namhlanje i-14 kaJanuary I'm starting a new vlog. Phofu I bendiqale izolo but I didn't do an intro yabo. So now I'm on my way to Ekinako. I need to do a bit of toiletry shopping. I also need to buy a chart because I want to do a vision board. Yeah, unozenza ezo ndifuna kwa clicks maybe get around the shops and then ndikhangele the chart. So come with me.
Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day, talk on the line. Say what, say what, say what. You know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up. And you know what I need. Ooh,
feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fine like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm all my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out.
Ndiqabile ke sana ngoku ndiyagoduka. Qha ndidineke wadisayithi uba mandihlale phantsi because ndilinde uzothathwa. Nange sesizawuvosana imali iphelile. And ndiyagoba because ndingumntu nje ongathanda usebenzisa imali mna. I do not like spending money, but ke ngoku imali iphelile. And one thing I realized ke ngoku because ndiye ndaya nakwaShoprite, ukule kusuduru nakunoShoprite, and ke ngoku ndiyazisola for not going to Shoprite first. But ke it's fine, sesilapha wethu imali iyaduka ayiphinde ibuye. So ke ndiyagoduka ke ngoku nandiselapha le moto. I'm going home now, I'm tired.
Such a risk, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Three days later.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever
guys, namhlanje it's a Saturday. Andizoyixela idate, but ke ukwixesha kuzawubetha u-12. I've got a lot efuneke ndiyenzile ke namhlanje. I've got a lot of errands to run. Yabona ngoku ndiya ndiyodeliverisha ijambul castle, and then from there I think ndizobuyela apha endlini because kukho iclient efuneke sidibene nayo, and then namhlanje ndibe ndifuna ukwenza iinwele zam, so I have to go esaluni. I also wanna do
In the city, maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? In the Phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking at people to move on. Like you hard, I know. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide city, slide. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So all of these lotions stay. I know it's gonna make you beg. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Like I wish you wanna you should run. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. If you play what you doing, what you want. I can tell your friends you can do one thing. You like to go slow, but we could go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide. Any other man tryna get in the bed. So all of these lotions, babe. I know it's gonna make you beg. What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that would run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely.
I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Me, just love me.
If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up.
Molweni guys, today is a Sunday. I don't remember again ndiphele phi izolo ukufota, but ndiprintile and did ezinye izinto bekumele uba ndizenzile izolo, but ke akhange ndigqibe. So namhlanje ndizokwenza i-vision board yam. As you can see, iinwele zam ke akhange ndide ndiyozenza, uyabo. But ke ngoku for inwele I decided ukulinda for ndivule esikolweni cause bendisuppose ndiya esikolweni next week Monday, so bendizawukwenza ke ngoku preparing for that, but ke andisayi, so I'm going esikolweni to the klavik, yabo. So iinwele zam ke ngoku andizoba sazenza, ndizawulinda ibe intenancy yesikolo, yaqonda ke ngoku, hence into engayenzanga. So today I'm doing my vision board finally, because kudala nayo ndifuna uyenza. but ke ndiyayenza namhlanje, and I think after yona ndizawuyivala le vlog. I don't know, ndizawubona, but ke namhlanje ndenza i-vision board yam. Yeah.
Open the door by the way, tell you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way, I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny, curving your hip from your memory. Remember Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Type will be mad at me. I had to do it. I want your body and music. I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like an exit away. Yeah. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing.
Run for my money. There is nobody, ain't no one that run. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's
I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
me, just love me. For my money, there is nobody, no one that'll run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely.
So I am finally done with my vision board. I'm done finally. Literally. I'm up to but girl, it's fine. Whoever uzawube senza i-vision board, bear in mind ke sana but le ngamaphepha nje. All you need to do is work towards achieve everything elapha, because this means nothing if you're not prepared to work towards something. In fact, my vision board, it must be a action board, because siyabangena kuminyaka yaqonda. So yeah guys, engosini nje for ukubukela. I think iphela up vlog yam, I'm not sure. I don't know, but I think engosini. Don't forget to like, comment and share the channel, the video and everything. Thanks.
I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you.